Hey guys, I'm Sony. Welcome to my channel. If you are a fresher and still not placed, this video can save your time because I came up with a very good entry level opportunity. And in this video, I will quickly cover who can apply, what skills they are looking for, and how you can apply. So make sure you watch till the end. Guys, Volopay is hiring for a front-end developer internship in Bangalore. This internship is open for freshers as well as candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience, and the duration of internship will be 6 months. Talking about the role, your main work will be building and improving the front-end UI. You will work with the team to create responsive, user-friendly interfaces, convert design into codes, fix UI bugs, and improve front-end performance. Basically, you will be working closely with the developers and product teams to make the product better. Now coming to the skills, you should know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and have basic knowledge of React or Vue. They have also mentioned REST APIs, Git, and logical thinking skills. One more thing they have mentioned is SAS or less. If you don't know what it is, don't worry. SAS and less are just advanced version of CSS that help write cleaner and reusable styles, and you can easily learn the basics in a few days. Overall, this is a good opportunity if you want real product experience in a startup environment. If you don't know any of these skills, I have already shared all the important interview resources, cheat sheets, and practice materials. You can find them by scanning the QR code on the screen or through the resources link in the description box. These are the same resources I personally recommend for cracking off campus roles. The apply link is also in the description box. Don't delay your application. Off-campus roles fills really fast. I post verified internship and job updates daily. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe and keep notifications on. I also post job updates in my WhatsApp channel and LinkedIn channel. So make sure you check out and follow by using the link in my description box. Thank you.